In this segment, I am going to be submitting our geopolitical cosmos according to our geopolitical Christian cosmos, according to the prophets of Daniel. Before the prophets of Daniel, we start with our Adamic progeniture, followed by Noahic progeniture, then our Noahic triumvirates as Eurocentric, Japhet, Afrocentric, Ham, and Asianic or Asia-centric Shem. Asia-centric Shem gave us Abrahamic priesthood as Anglo-Japhet, gave us kingship priesthood of King James, who gave us authorized version of our gospel at the morning star of the church in Philadelphia. Then Abraham gave us and provided us the head for end times Judeo-incarnation of cardinal diplomats in Africa, particularly in Zimbabwe, in Johane Masowe there. Going by the prophets of Daniel after the Babylonian statue dreamt by Nebuchadnezzar, as we follow it, we are now at its feet with the 10 fingers, each with iron enclayed by clay, depicting colonialism between Europe and Africa. Colonialism of African Shekinah, a motherhood by the Noahic mighty Japhet, our European progenitor. As Zimbabweans today, with the British iron of post-Roman Empire, we must review our cardinal obligations with England. I believe when England came here, we had 3 dimensions: a political dimension, traditional dimension, and a religious dimension in our endeavor to renounce our Old Testament practices in respect of Old Testament Mwari cultism of Murenga priesthood. We accepted a Japhetic template for our politics. We accepted Shemitic template for our religion, then retained our traditional template for a traditional religion. Then our traditional religion was configured, transfigured, and we transformed from our Old Testament Mwari cultism practices practiced then by our patriarchs and matriarchs from after renouncing that Old Testament Mwari cultism practice for New Testament priesthood, underlining Johanic priesthood, we now believe Zimbabwe is now a Christian country. I thank you, to be continued when and if necessary.